Is being a child actor child labor? Okay. Hindi po, no? Because under RA 9231 and the Dole regulations allowed po ang child acting, modeling, commercials, hosting, and entertainment. But only if strict requirements are met. Okay, so the Dole, kailangan po merong Dole work permit for every project. Limited lang po yung working hours, hindi po pwede yung mga hating gabi ang shooting. Okay, no hazardous scenes. Okay, yung merong stunt yung mga bata. Dapat andun yung magulang or yung guardian. Tapos meron pong trust fund for the child's earnings and hindi po pwede yung harmful makeup, costumes, or stunts. So kung walang permit at hindi nasusunod yung mga safeguards, ang production house or yung parent mismo, yung magulang mismo ay pwedeng maging liable for child labor violations. So child acting is legal, child exploitation is not. Okay, anong trabaho ang totally bawal sa mga menor de edad?